Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Riya Study Circle. Today I am going to explain about 8th class maths algebraic expressions. Introduction part 2. In this I am going to explain about what are like and unlike terms. Let's take an example. 3x square, 2x minus 5x, 4x square minus 9x minus 11x square. In this, what are like terms and unlike terms? First, what are like terms means the terms which have same variable with the same exponent. Like here 2x minus 5x minus 9x. These three terms are having same variables x with same exponents, that means same power 1. So these are known as like terms. In like term, we don't consider the coefficients, what are the coefficients are equal or not. We have to consider only the variables. As the same way, here 3x square, 4y square and minus 11 square are having the same variable x square. These are known as like terms. While we take 3x square and 2x, these two are unlike terms because we all know these two are having different variables. Here x square, here x are having same variable x, but the exponent is different. That means here 2 is this exponent and here 1. So the exponents are different. So these two are unlike terms. If we take 4x square and 5y square, here they have same exponent. That means they have same powers 2, but the variables are different. Like here x, here y. So exponents are same, but variables are different. So these two are also unlike terms. If we take an example like ax square y, 2x, 5y square minus 9x square minus 6x, 7xy and 18y square. Let's see what are the like terms here. 2x minus 6x. 2x and minus 6x are like terms, and here x square y, no one is matching, minus 5y square and 18y square and 18y square are like terms, and x square no one is matching, xy no one is matching. So these two groups are like terms. The remaining all are unlike terms. Next one is how to do addition and subtraction of an algebraic expression. Let's see how to do. Let's take an example. 5x square plus 3xy plus 2y square and 2y square minus xy plus 4x square. Add these two. How to do? Let's see. First write x square coefficient, then xy coefficient, then y square coefficient. we have to write this expression in order. Here we have 2y square minus xy plus 4x square. We have to write in order. That means 4x square coefficient minus xy plus 2y square. This addition. So we have to write addition symbol here. Here 5 plus 4 is 9 x square. We have to add the coefficient of variables, not variables. So x square variables are same. The coefficient of x square is 5. Here 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Here coefficient of xy is 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 2 xy plus here the coefficient of y square is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4y square. So this is the solution for this problem. Next take another example. 9x square plus 2xy plus 2y square and x square plus xy plus 3y square. Add these two. Solution for this problem is same. We have to write the same variables in one side. 9x square plus 2xy plus 2y square. Next one is x square plus xy plus 3y square. Let's do addition. 9 plus 1 10x square plus 2 plus 1 3xy plus 2 plus 3 5y square. This is the solution for this problem. Next, see how to subtract algebraic expressions. Let's take an example. 2xy plus 9x square is subtract from 12xy plus 4x square minus 3y square. So we have to subtract this from this. So we have to write first this one. We have to write variables in order. So here 4x square plus 12xy minus 3y square. Next we have to write this 9x square. Next the coefficient of xy term is 2 plus 2xy. Here the coefficient of y is 0. Y square is 0. So in subtraction the below terms symbols are changed. Like here we have plus, so we get minus. Here we have plus, we get minus. Let's see the solution. 4 minus 9 is, we all know 4 minus 9 is minus 5 x square. Here 12 minus 2 is plus 10xy. Here same minus 3y square. So the answer is 10xy minus 5x square minus 3y square. This one is the final solution for this problem. Let's take another example. 10x square minus 5xy plus 4y square and 3x square minus 2xy minus 2y square. Subtraction. We have to subtract this equation from this. So let's see. Here plus we get minus. Here minus symbol we get plus. Here minus symbol we get plus. So 10 minus 3 we get 7 x square. Here minus into plus we have, that means 5 minus 2 we get 3, plus into minus minus but we have minus before big number, so we get minus 3 xy. Next, plus 4 plus 2 6y square. So this is the solution for this problem. Next one is multiplication of algebraic expression. Let's take the examples. 7x into 5y. The solution for this is simple. 7x into 5y. We all know the multiplication, that is 7 into x into 5 into y. We have to multiply the constant terms. 7 into 5. 7 5 is 35 and x into y, xy. Next, see the another example. 3x into minus 2y. Solution for this problem is 3x into minus 2y. That means 3 into x into minus 2 into y. Plus into minus minus, 3 2s are 6, x into y, xy. Next, see the another example. 3x into 5x square. Solution for this multiplication is very simple. 3x into 5x square. 3 into x into 5 into x square. Constants. 3 into 5 into x square. 3 5 is 15 into x square means x cube. That means 15 x cube. Next, final example is minus 2 x square into minus 4 x square. Solution for this problem is minus 2 x square into minus 4 x square. Minus 2 into x square into minus 4 into x square. Write the constant terms. Minus 2 into minus 4 into x square into x square. Minus into minus plus 2 4s are 8. X square into x square, x to the power of 4. This is the solution for this problem. Please visit my channel and watch all the videos for more maths videos. If you have any doubts, then comment below. I will definitely explain in my next video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please support me by like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. If you want these videos in Telugu, please comment below. I will definitely explain in Telugu also. ఒకవేళ మీకు ఈ వీడియోస్ తెలుగులో కావాలనుకుంటే నాకు కామెంట్ చేయండి, నేను తెలుగులో కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. My next video is on 8th class maths chapter number 11 algebraic expression exercise 11.1 problems. That means exercise problems, unsolved problems. So please wait for the next video and watch that. Please stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you for watching.